DIY adorable mini shopping bags. Hello friends and welcome back. So today we are not gonna play any games or play with any dolls, but today we are gonna make some fun crafts. So everybody loves crafts, right guys? So I too love crafts. They make me calm down and they're so fun. So today we are gonna make this one. It's a little bear shopping bag for your Barbie dolls. So if your dolls don't have any shopping bags, so you could make these on your own. Isn't it cute, guys? It's like a bag. It has handles. This is the back of it. And there's plenty of space inside. So this is what we're gonna make today. Okay, so let's start. So to make this craft, you need some glue, a pencil and a ruler, 2 sheets of color paper. The color is your choice, guys, but I chose red and light orange, and scissors. So let's start the craft. I'm gonna take the red color paper and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So guys, as you can see, this. So I just drew some lines to make it more easier for you guys, and I even mentioned the centimeters for you. So you could note it down or just do it. You know what I mean. So I wrote it down for you guys. So you could follow this. Now use scissors to cut this rectangle down, and you should fold between these lines. So please be careful with the scissors, guys, because some of the scissors are very sharp, so they may even cut your skin or you may be bleeding. So please be careful with the scissors. So let's cut them up. So guys, I'm done with the cutting work. So you could see it over here. So here I made a little line. So, can you see these lines over here? You should cut them, but do not cut the whole thing, because it may not be good if you do it like that. But this is a different method. Some people just do things together and show it to us, but you should always be very precise. Size is always good, guys. There we go. So I cut these parts over here. Can you see? Yep. So I'm gonna take my ruler and bend these stuff down. Bend these to join everything together and glue them. You can try this at your home and make it for your dolls, guys. So you could have some fun playing with your dolls, like they are going to shopping. And they could take these bags. I already made one here. I showed it in the beginning of the video. So they could use these handmade bags to go and shop, and you could play with them. It will be so much fun. I too love Barbies. I have a lot of fun. So after you bent down these parts over here, there you go. After you fold these parts, you should fold these parts. You should be very precise, guys, because if you be very precise, the craft will turn out very, very, very beautiful. I too made mistakes. So guys, as you can see, I folded these parts. So can you see this and this? You should glue these together. But before that, you should cut out this part at the end over here. Okay? So I'm gonna cut it out. Let me just fold it again, then it will be easier to cut it out. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, so I cut this. Now we are gonna glue these pieces together. Okay, so here I have the glue. I'm gonna paste these together. Don't put too much glue, guys, and the paper will be so gluey. Oops, got a bit of glue in my hand, but it's okay. I'll wipe it off later. So let's stick these two pieces together. Then I know you have a question, why are these pieces here? So we should stick them together. So after this one dries, we could do that. So guys, I glued these pieces together. So they are dried now. So when I glue these pieces together, it's like a box, the cereal box. So I'm gonna put some glue on these pieces. Yeah. So I'm gonna put some glue on them. Over here too. Now fold these and these and these. Oops, they are sticking. I'll just leave it like this for a little bit. So guys, it is dry. You can see it's a little hole over here. That's why I'm gonna put a piece of paper on top of it, and I'm gonna glue it together, guys. So you should put some glue over here. It's the base. So you should let it dry for some time. Then you can cut these pieces off. So guys, the glue is dried now. I'm gonna cut these pieces off at the edges. There we go. And in this side, okay. Okay guys, I cut the pieces over here. As you can see, it's the base. So now we are gonna make the handles and a cute little doggy face. So guys, I prepared for the handles. So we should have 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter in the middle, and the long one is it? It's 15 centimeter. So let's make the handles. So to make the handle, fold this paper into half. So if you want the handle a little bit thick, you can just do it like that. So if you want it thinner, then you could just cut it like this. from over here, and you could fold them into half. Okay guys. So guys, I want them thinner, so I made them like these. So I cut them into half, so they're like 2 centimeter. Now fold these into half. Fold these into half. It should be perfect. So you should fold this into half. Yep. So then you should fold it like this. There we go. And fold it this way, like that. Perfect. Perfect. Now we should glue these pieces together and fold them like that. I'm gonna glue these pieces together. So here, put some glue. So let's fold them. So it is so easy guys. There's no like so many foldings or anything. This craft is very easy. Yep. So here we have the handle. So we're gonna make 2 handles because bags always have 2 handles, so we don't want to miss another handle. So I made this one and I'm gonna make another one. So I made the handles guys. Can you see it? Yep. So here's the bag that we made. So we're gonna stick it inside, not on the outside. So let's stick it. I'm gonna put some glue over here. Just leave these spaces open. And you could glue them. I'm gonna glue it. Oops. So let's glue it over here too. What's sticking? I think my glue is very dumb. Or you could use some high quality glue. So here's one handle. So if you want, you could just straighten it, make it look prettier. I think I'm gonna use my scissors to do it, like that, to curl them. It's a pretty easier way to do it. I'm gonna put some more glue. This is so easy guys, so you could just make it on your own. You don't need any help to make these, and these are so easy and so adorable. So we made the first handle. Next we are going to make the second one. So guys, I attached the 2 handles together. So as you can see over here, I attached them and they look so cool. So now we are gonna make a doggy face. So guys, I have my Pro Circle over here. So I'm gonna draw a circle. We are gonna make the dog's nose. So let me just measure it. would be perfect. Let's draw. Just gonna trace it and cut it out with a scissor, and I'm gonna draw the nose. So I think I'll draw the nose now. So if I cut it, it will be a little hard to draw the nose. So I'm gonna draw the nose now. So the dog's nose is kind of funny, guys. So here I have my sketch pen. I'm gonna draw the dog's nose on this circle. Sorry, it's upside down, guys, but I'll show you after I finish it. So I just drew the dog's nose. So I'm gonna cut it out with my scissors. Please be careful with the scissors, guys. So the dog's nose is gonna look amazing, and that's what is making it cuter. So I'm gonna cut it. So here we have the nose, guys. I just cut it out, and I'm gonna paste it on the bag. I'm just gonna put some glue. I'm gonna take the paper and stick it on the bag. So here I have the bag. Okay, so let me stick it perfectly. Can you see it? So I stick it over here. I'm gonna draw the eyes and stick the ears over here. So guys, I just cut out the ears over here. I am gonna stick these ears like this. I'm gonna take some glue and stick it right over here. Yep, guys, I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna stick the other ear. So guys, the bags are done. Can you see? So this is a bag. It's so cute. And this is the one we made. It's a dog. Do you like it, guys? It's so cute. So I'm gonna show you the size of it with my Barbie doll. So guys, here's my Barbie doll over here. Can you see it? So she's holding the two bags, this one and this one. Hello! So this is my Barbie doll, guys. So she just bought something. She's having something in her bag. We don't know. She just went to shopping and bought some grocery stuff or some stationery supplies for her baby dolls. So here are the two bags, so you can see the size of it. So she is super duper stylish. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button. And I have given my Instagram account link in the description box. Do follow me and subscribe to our channel and do support. We love you guys so much. Miss you all and see you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye.